Here now are the answers to the exercises of under the addition and subtraction of similar fractions. Number 1, here's our problem and here are the choices. The solution is here. We will just copy the denominator and add all the numerators. After this, we will simplify. So since this is an improper fraction, the numerator is bigger than the denominator, we have to simplify this to a mixed number. Our final answer is 1 and 4 over 9, and this is letter C. Now, for the let, you can use the calculator as your shortcut. So in using your calculator, you will press 8, and then this is the fraction key for your calculator, which is A and B over C. And then press 9, and then press the plus sign, 17, the fraction key, 9, minus key, the 12, fraction key, 9, and then the equal sign. So when you press, after you press the equal sign, the answer of this problem will display 1 and 4 over 9. So that is the shortcut steps in using your calculator in solving fractions. Number 2, we have here our problem and then the choices. Our final answer is 5 over 17, and that is letter A. Again, for the shortcut in using the calculator, we have using the fraction key, which you can see on your calculators. That is A, B over C. So 15, fraction key, 17 minus 12, fraction key, 17 plus 2, the fraction key, 17, and then the equal sign. So it will be a bit faster if you are going to use this shortcut in your calculator as compared to solving this. So you will save a lot of time when dealing with fractional problems. Number 3, here's our problem and here are the choices. And this is our solution. Our final answer is 1 over 33, and that is letter B. And we have here the shortcut in using the calculator. For number 4, we have here our given problem, the choices, and the solution. Our final answer is negative 8 over 9. Negative 16 over 18 is not yet the final answer because we can still simplify. Okay, 2 is common between 16 and 18. And the answer here is letter C. And for the shortcut using your calculator, this is the shortcut keys. 17, the fraction key, 18 minus 10, fraction key, 18 minus 28, fraction key, 18 plus 5, fraction key, 18, and then the equal sign. And for our last number, this is the given, or this is the problem. These are the choices, and we have here the solution. The final answer is 3 over 7, or letter A. Again, this is the shortcut in using your calculator.